Ababaka ba Parliament abatula ku kakiiko akavunaanyizibwa ku kulondoola emirimu gya gavumenti aka Public Accounts Committee bakunyizza abakulembeze ba munisipaali ey'e Ntebbe bannyonnyole ku bigambibwa nti balina nsimbi gwe baagabira ettaka ly'eddwaliro ly'e Kigungu nga tebayise mu mitendera mituufu.
Without your knowledge, was it even reported anywhere anyway? Because it's a serious issue. And on top of that, when was that? Which year? Which month? Everything, it's in the process. We are getting a title. We have vacant land and yet you people are struggling looking.
Abakulembeze bano okuva Ntebbe abakulembeddwamu Town Clerk Emmanuel Mugisha Gachoro bakunyiziddwa ababaka abakulembeddwamu Honorable Gilbert Olanya. Ababaka bano basinzidde ku alipoota ya Ssaabalalizi w'ebitabo bya gavumenti eyalaga obumulumulu obw'enjawulo obwali mu nteekateeka eno ey'okugabira musigansimbi ettaka lino.
Ntebbe Municipal Council, you have the detail for this land and you know what happened exactly. So tell us the truth and we proceed. You cannot take the committee for granted. We are not here to waste our time. Why have you given the land to the encroacher?
Abaka bakizudde nti waliwo ebitaatambula bulungi nga waliwo n'ettaka lye baawaayo eri State House okugira nga bassaamu emmotoka zaabwe okutadde n'obutafunira ddwaliro lino kyapa ky'ettaka kwe litudde.
Monitoring unit, because they also took interest. They were wondering how a private individual could come in and title part of a health center. So we have also been concerned. We are not seated. During the series of meetings we had, we agreed to do a resurvey and cancel part of that title he was purporting to hold over our health center.
Omubaka Kakembombwa Tekamwa alaze nnyiko olw'ettaka ly'eddwaliro eryawebwa musigansimbi nga abantu tebasoose kwebuuza ku bakulembeze abasookerwako.
The one we are processing a line title and the plot 2A. For information, Honorable Chair, the plot next to Central Market is under contention. There is a private investor who is claiming ownership of that land, and we've been in battles at Ntebbe Municipal Council. It has been all over medias where that land next to Central Market has been sold off. So now I'm wondering which one is which. Ntebbe Municipal Council land that is vacant, and next to Central Market where the private owner is claiming ownership, and the one of Central Market which is saying this is under Ntebbe Municipal Council is under process. They are still processing line title. They must have a minute when they are giving the instruction to survey. That's where the process begins.
Emmanuel Mugisha Gachoro ategeeza akakiiko nabo tebategeera ddi na butya omukulu amanyiddwa nga Sam bwe yafuna ekyapa wabula amawulire amalungi nti omukulu oyo yategeeza nga bwagenda okuzza ettaka eri abakulembeze b'eddwaliro.
To buy land that adjacent to the health center.
What about if you are to sell the other one and use that same money to buy the other one? How possible is that?
And you've never given land to the individual. But I think forcefully he went through the processes and he got a land title.
What do you mean?
No, because we were not involved. We didn't know about it.
What do you mean by forcefully?
I don't know how he went through the processes. We just woke up and he had a title.
Wabula abaka bamwanukudde nga bagamba nti tewali mukulembeze yenna alina buvunaanyizibwa ku bintu bya bannayuganda. Mathias Kanjako yakusakidde eggulu erino ku lwa KSTV Agaleera.